Awareness raising has been a part of our program since the inception of CLAAS. But in this project plan, legal literacy aims to address and highlight laws, legal rights, and legal remedies specific to the target group. In 2023, our target group was the Christian community in general. 6 sessions were planned and executed in 6 different cities of Punjab with 6 different community groups. 1 session was conducted just for the transgender community. The following chart illustrates the date and place of the session. The purpose of these sessions was to sensitize people regarding their fundamental rights, and rights protected in the Constitution of Pakistan. In these sessions, speakers and participants discuss the issues and impact of violence on families and society in general. The topics which were discussed in these sessions are Christian personal laws, gender-based violence, violence against religious minorities, legal rights and laws related to women and children, cybercrime and other discriminatory laws, and Transgender Protection Act. Transgender rights and laws were also discussed with the general community members. The purpose was to give awareness to the community that transgender community was also among the most marginalized groups and needed our support to gain acceptance and respect in our intolerant society. The message was delivered through multimedia presentations, case studies, and group discussions. After the mob attack in Jaranwala, 2 sessions were conducted at 2 different places. 1 session was arranged in the church of Pastor Amir, who was arrested in connection with the blasphemy charges. He was acquitted by the Jaranwala District Session Court with the legal support of CLAAS. Pastor Amir's church and school were completely burnt down and the school was looted, but after his acquittal, he stayed 2 nights at the CLAAS office and then decided to go back to his destructed home to continue his ministry. He stayed strong and in as an inspiration to his congregation. He was humbled and thankful to the CLAAS legal team, and once he came to know that CLAAS was conducting a session in the Christian colony Jaranwala, he requested to host a session in his church, which was largely attended by the Christian men and women. During this session, the member told the CLAAS team that he had never heard anyone talk about their Christian citizens' rights. The CLAAS team promised to hold more sessions with their community. Minority rights, the constitutional responsibility of the state to protect freedom of religion and belief, and forced conversion of minority women and minor girls were also part of the discussion. The responsibilities of the state to promote a strong narrative for the protection of all rights of religious minorities that takes diversity in the community, community participation to take steps in resolving the issues, and way forward to build unity and prosperity were also briefly described. The rights of transgender people who are easily targeted because they have no social support were also discussed in these sessions. Transgender discussed their rights, suffering, and violations against them through different examples and experiences. They expect justice and are struggling for their rights.